Hello everyone, this is Lucy. In this video, I'm making another version of one of Puerto Rico's most beloved recipes, rice with pigeon peas and pork. With the burner in high temperature on my stove using my favorite Dutch oven or caldero, I'm frying about 1 pound of pork cut in bite pieces and seasoned with salt, pepper, onion and garlic powder, and paprika. Once the pork is fried, then I retire from the pot and place it into a bowl. Then, using the same grease left by the pork, I will fry about 1 cup of diced salted cooking ham until it's crispy just like bacon. Then I add to the ham the onion and let it become translucent. Once the onion is translucent, then I add 1/2 of a cup of sofrito. I am placing the link of my sofrito recipe in the description area below this video. Or you can just use your own recipe. Just don't be afraid of using enough to provide enough flavors to the rice. Then I'm adding 1 cup or 8 ounces of tomato sauce. Mix well, and to this mixture, I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of annatto powder, or you can use the annatto oil. Or if you don't have annatto, then just simply you can use paprika. Then I add about 4 cups of gandules or pigeon peas. And right after that, I add back the pork. I'm going to add 3 cups of white short grain rice to the mixture. And this will provide enough rice for about 6 to 8 people. Mix well, and then I start adding about 3 cups of beef broth. If you don't have beef broth, then just use water. At this point, we taste for salt and add salt as necessary. I myself will add 2 teaspoons of salt. Remember that the meat and the ham are already salty. Mix well and then wait until the liquid starts boiling. Give a good stir and then lower the temperature to medium and wait until all the water is absorbed by the rice. Then is when I lower the temperature to very low or simmer. And I'm going to give it a good stir, even scraping the bottom of the pot. Just make sure you lower the temperature to very low. I cut some pieces of banana leaf, wash them really well, and then I'm placing this banana leaf on top of the rice, and this is completely optional. If you don't find banana leaf, that's okay. It will give a nice flavor to the rice. And then, to avoid the steam from coming out, I'm placing a piece of aluminum foil between the lid and the pot. Let it cook for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, your rice is ready to be served. Just remove the banana leaves and discard them. Give it a good stir. Remember that the steps to take and the ingredients to use for this delicious recipe are in the description area below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, you are welcome to leave a comment and to click like if you really like this video. Take care of yourselves and your loved ones. I see you soon. Bye bye.